In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has not only transformed the way we communicate but also revolutionized the way businesses market their products and services. With millions of users actively engaging on various social media platforms, advertising on these channels has become a necessity for brands looking to drive massive engagement and conversions. However, with the ever-evolving landscape of social media advertising, it can be challenging to navigate and achieve optimal results. Fear not. In this article, we will explore 7 expert tips that will help you master the art of social media advertising. Understand your audience. The key to successful social media advertising lies in understanding your target audience inside out. Take time to research their demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. By gaining deep insights into who they are and what they want, you can create highly targeted ads that resonate with them emotionally. Craft compelling ad copy. To capture your audience's attention amidst the noise on social media platforms, your ad copy needs to stand out from the crowd. Use emotional objectives like fear or desire to describe your reader's problem or aspiration accurately. For example, instead of simply stating, "Get fit," try using, "Transform your body and boost your confidence." This unique rationale demonstrates what readers will get out of clicking on your ad. Utilize eye-catching visuals. Humans are visual creatures. Therefore, incorporating eye-catching visuals is crucial in grabbing attention while scrolling through endless feeds on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. High-quality images or videos that align with your brand identity will make your ads more memorable and increase engagement rates significantly. Leverage user-generated content, UGC. UGC refers to content created by consumers about a brand or product voluntarily. It could be reviews or testimonials shared on social media. Incorporating UGC into your social media advertising strategy can be highly effective as it adds authenticity and builds trust among potential customers. Encourage your audience to share their experiences with your brand and repurpose the best content in your ads. Implement A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful technique that allows you to compare different versions of an ad to determine which performs better. It helps you understand what resonates with your audience, enabling you to optimize future campaigns for maximum engagement and conversions. Test various elements such as headlines, visuals, call-to-action buttons, or even target audiences themselves. Utilize retargeting. Retargeting is a tactic that allows you to reach out to users who have previously interacted with your brand but haven't converted yet. By showing relevant ads specifically tailored for them, you increase the chances of converting these warm leads into paying customers. Monitor and analyze performance. The success of any social media advertising campaign lies in monitoring and analyzing its performance regularly. Use analytics tools provided by platforms like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Analytics to track key metrics such as click-through rates, center, conversion rates, cost per acquisition, CPA, etc. These numbers will provide concrete takeaways on what's working well and where improvements can be made. In conclusion, mastering the art of social media advertising requires a deep understanding of your target audience combined with compelling ad copy, eye-catching visuals, user-generated content utilization, A/B testing implementation, retargeting tactics utilization along with continuous monitoring and analysis of campaign performance using key metrics. By implementing these 7 expert tips into your social media advertising strategy diligently, you'll be able to drive massive engagement from highly targeted audiences while increasing conversions significantly. Remember, knowing who your audience is at its core will allow you not only connect emotionally but also tailor-fit every aspect of each advertisement perfectly. So go ahead. Embrace the power of social media advertising and take your brand to new heights of success.